Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a demo for our AgentHack use case called AI-driven home remedy and clinical appointment management process. We also call them as Dr. Agent. So let's get started. So this is the Dr. Agent app which we have created. You can give your username and password here to log in. Once you click on submit, a background process will run. To log in into your application, it will verify your credentials. So yeah, it has verified my credentials and I have logged in successfully. So we have four options here. We have raise request. If you want to raise any appointment request, you can add your requests here. You can see your previous history as well. When did you visit the clinic, the symptoms you had, and the doctor's feedback. Then you have notification section where you can see the notifications. And then this is the call ambulance tab where you can get the ambulance number and you can call them in case of emergencies. So let's start with raising a request. The username will be mine. I will provide my email ID here. Symptoms, I can say I'm having fever from morning. If you have any prescriptions, you can upload it here. I don't have any prescriptions now. You can select the doctor here. I will take Dr. Darshan Sabhe. We can select the appointment dates. Let's select today's date. Time. It will be. Let's take it 50. Submit. So our request will be submitted, and one agentic process will be triggered in our orchestrator. So let's have a look at it. So we have added a request. Yeah, you can see the agentic process is running. Let's go into master flow. So it has gathered all the request details and it is checking if the prescription is attached. So we did not attach any prescription, though it has skipped this DU part. Now Dr. Agent has analyzed all the symptoms and stated that we don't require any physical doctor consultations. So it is adding details into the database and sending emails with the home remedies. Here you can see the output of the agent. So our run is completed. So let's check if we have received any emails. So agent has sent me an email that thank you for reaching out to your request. Dr. Agent has reviewed your request and advised the following. So it has provided me some feedback. So fever in 29-year-old can be often managed at home. So if there are any other severe symptoms, start by taking paracetamol as per dosage to reduce fever, ensure adequate rest. So it has provided me some feedback instead of going to the doctor and having some physical appointment there. So it can avoid any extra appointments at doctor ends, and it's also save the patient's time and doctor's time. What if we have some so agent has sent me an email that thank you for reaching out to your request. Dr. Agent has reviewed your request and advised the following. So it has provided me some feedback. So fever in 29-year-old can be often managed at home, critical emergencies. So let's go to the Dr. Agent. We will raise one query. I will provide my email again. Now we will give some severe symptoms like I'm having chest pain from 2 days. So it is a severe symptom. I don't have any prescriptions. Dr. Darshan Sabhe, 7 July, as soon as possible. Submit. So same thing in the background, one agentic process will be triggered. Let's go and check. Okay, let's check the master. So flow is running. Dr. Agent is running. Dr. Agent is analyzing the symptoms and checking if doctor is needed. Yeah, it has passed it to the doctor. So here we can see it is a DA appointment agent again, which will check if the concerned doctor is available at the time requested by the user. So here Dr. Agent is successful. Now it is going to the doctor's request for approval. So this request will be there in the action center. So let's go to the action center and see if we have received any requests. So this is the 24 minutes seconds ago request. This is the one I can assign it to self. Here you can see the username, the symptoms he is having, and the date and time. If I click on submit, it means I have approved the appointment. So after approving the appointment, it will get to get the patient details. If he has visited in the past to my clinic, and he will check all the background. Here we have the DA patient summary agent, which will analyze all the summary, like all the past history of the agent, and it will create a summary for me, like for doctor. So now it is adding notifications queue item. So we have set up some queue notifications like 24 hours before, then 2 hours before, 1 hour before, and at the time of the appointment we will be sending out the notifications. And final is the doctor's feedback. So this is the part where after clinical checks, the doctor will be providing the feedback for this patient. So let's go to the email. So here you can see we have important notification, appointment reminder by doctor agent. So this is the reminder to the doctor. As we have set the appointment on 13th, so it's already being 24 hours before. That's why it has sent me email right away. So you can see it has shown me the chronological summary of visits, that how many times that patient has visited my clinic, what are the key observations, what are the patterns, and it can show me the additional notes, and I can use this information to treat my patient. And this is the reminder sent to the user that you have the and this is the reminder sent to the user that you have the appointment scheduled at this date and this time. So here you can see we have important notification, appointment reminder by doctor agent. So this is the reminder to the doctor. As we have set the appointment on 13th, so it's already. Let's check our action task. So after treatment, doctor can come up to this action task and see feedback for the user, and he can add his user. So let's assign. After assigning it to myself, I can add the feedback that I have provided receives and description you can give if any he has added. For example, ABC 3 tablets per day. After clicking on submit, you can see in the instance our process will go to end. It is finished. So this feedback will store this data into our database. So in future, if that patient visits again, we can have his history, like at what time or what date he visited and what the symptoms he was having, and also what the prescriptions or what the home remedy or any remedies we have provided. So this was the full working demo for our use case. Thank you. So this was the full